It's been such a long, long time. Looks like I got you off of my mind, but I can't. Just the thought of you turns my whole world misty blue. Oh, honey, just the mention of your name turns the flicker to a flame. Listen to me, good baby, I think of the things we used to do, and my whole world turns misty blue. Oh, baby, I should forget you. Heaven knows I tried. Baby, when I say that I'm glad we're through, deep in my heart I know I've lied. I've lied. I've lied. Oh, oh. Baby, I can't forget you. Deep in my heart, I know. Baby, when I say that I'm glad we're through, deep in my heart, I know I've lied. I can't forget you. Deep in my heart I know. Oh, baby, I can't forget you. Deep in my heart I know. Baby, I can't forget you. Deep in my heart I know.
16, thought I'd step out one night. I longed to get the thrill in life I missed. I met a youth, bit uncouth, although he seemed alright. I knew him by the moment when we kissed. Then I got home next day with a swollen head. My girlfriend asked if I had fun. I said, was I drunk? Was he handsome? Did mama give me hell? Did I get a thrill and am I full of quiver? Was he rough? Did I care? Am I glad I fell? Every time I think of him, do I shiver? Was he hot? And was I? And would he stand for maybe? He would not. Did I lie? Does he still think I'm a baby? If I was, am I still? Do I care? Don't be silly. Was I drunk? Was he handsome? And did mama give me hell? Was I drunk? Was he handsome? Did mama give me hell? With his hands loose as no refusing. Did he fight? Was I blue? Almost shame to tell. And I don't know yet the system he was using. I said, stop, please behave. Well, what's the use of braving? He said, give. So I gave. After all, what was I saying? Am I glad? Holy gee, if I had fun, you asking me. Was I drunk? Was he handsome? And did mama give me hell?
This is why I always wonder. I'm a pond full of regrets. I always try to not remember rather than forget. This is why I always whisper when vagabonds are passing by. I tend to keep myself away from their goodbyes. Tide will rise and fall along the bay, and I am not going anywhere. I'm not going anywhere. People come and go and walk away, but I am not going anywhere. This is why I always whisper. I'm a river with a spell. I like to hear but not to listen, like to say but not to tell. This is why I always wonder. There's nothing new under the sun. I won't go anywhere, so give my love to everyone. Tide will rise and fall along the bay, and I am not going anywhere. I'm not going anywhere. People come and go and walk away, but I am not going anywhere. I'm not going anywhere.
What has happened down here is the wind have changed. Clouds rolled in from the north and it started to rain. It rained real hard and it rained for a real long time. 6 feet of water in the streets of Evangeline. The river rose all day, the river rose all night. Some people got lost in the flood, some people got away alright. The river had busted through, cleared down the Plaquemine. 6 feet of water in the streets of Evangeline. Louisiana, Louisiana, they're trying to wash us away. They're trying to wash us away. Oh, Louisiana, Louisiana, they're trying to wash us away. They're trying to wash us away. President Coolidge come down in a railroad train. Little fat man with a notepad in his hand. President said, little fat man, oh, isn't it a shame what the river had done to this poor farmer's land? Oh, Louisiana, Louisiana, you're trying to wash us away. You're trying to wash us away. Oh, Louisiana, oh, Louisiana, you're trying to wash us away. Oh, Lord, you're trying to wash us away. You're trying to wash us away. You're trying to wash us away.
Something today, and I just wanna feel the day, feel the day, feel the day. I just wanna feel something today. Open me up and you will see I'm a gallery of broken hearts. I'm beyond repair, let me be, and give me back my broken parts. I just wanna know today, know today, know today. I just wanna know something today. 'Cause I just wanna know today, know today, know today. Know that maybe I will be okay. Open me up and you will see I'm a gallery of broken hearts. I'm beyond repair, let me be, and give me back my broken parts. Just give them back to me, please. Just give me back my pieces. Just give them back to me, please, and let me hold my broken parts. 'Cause I just wanna be okay, be okay, be okay. I just wanna be okay today. I just wanna be okay, be okay, be okay. I just wanna be okay today. 'Cause I just wanna feel today, feel today, feel today. I just wanna feel something today. And I just wanna know today, know today, know today